In 1818, an 18-year-old writer created a story that would change literature forever. That story was Frankenstein, a tale about science, creation, and a monster that was never truly the villain. Mary Shelley wrote Frankenstein during the Romantic era, a time when writers explored emotion, nature, and the human experience. But the novel also reflected something new: humanity's growing fascination with science. At its core, Frankenstein tells the story of Victor Frankenstein, a scientist who discovers how to create life. But when his creation awakens, everything goes wrong. The idea for Frankenstein came during a famous summer in 1816. Mary Shelley was staying in Switzerland with Percy Bysshe Shelley and Lord Byron. During a stormy night, Byron challenged everyone to write a ghost story. That challenge inspired one of the most influential novels ever written. Frankenstein explores one powerful question. Victor Frankenstein becomes obsessed with creating life. But he never considers the responsibility that comes with creation. And when society rejects the creature, tragedy follows. The novel isn't simply about a monster. It's about two tragic characters. Victor Frankenstein represents ambition and obsession. The creature represents loneliness and rejection. In many ways, the real tragedy is not the monster. It's the creator who abandoned him. Frankenstein is often called the first true science fiction novel. It combines scientific ideas with philosophical questions. Writers like H.G. Wells and Philip K. Dick built entire genres from the foundation Mary Shelley created. 200 years later, the questions raised by Frankenstein feel more relevant than ever. Today, humanity is creating new forms of intelligence and life. Just like Victor Frankenstein once did. Frankenstein has inspired countless adaptations. Films, plays, books, and art have reimagined the story for generations. And each version asks the same haunting question. Mary Shelley's Frankenstein was more than a horror story. It was a warning. A warning about ambition, responsibility, and the dangers of creation without compassion. And that's why Frankenstein still matters today.